Hello everybody, I am Tuhin Kanti Pal. I love to do open source works. So in this video I'll show you the projects I have created in the last 4 years. The public projects basically, not private project obviously, public projects. So as you can see I have 59 repositories. So let's go through all of these. The first is Amazon API. So I've made the project I think 3 years ago. Yeah, in 3 years ago, and I recently updated it. So this, it's search and get product info from Amazon. Also, it supports GraphQL. It also supports GraphQL and REST both. Yeah, nice. So let's go to the next project, which is tuhinpal.github.io. So this is my website basically. So it has basically two variants. So in master there are Gatsby version 1. So previously I used this one, gatsby. So this was my whole project. I think this is also cool, and whole website, and this is my new website. It also supports the blog, it also support this about page, and also support blog, but I didn't write any blog right now. So yeah, that is about stuff. And yeah, so this is currently using a Next.js. Okay, nice. Let's go to the next. So this is the cache compass. This is a flutter app, and this is a flutter app, so you can track individual expenses and income. So you can write like salary you earned both USD and INR. You can do that also, like it suppose multiple currencies. And yeah, we just click UI. So this is cache compass. This I made like 10 months ago. So yeah, currently you can download the APK. Nice. Let's go to the next project, which is IMDb API. So this is a good project. I previously didn't maintain it, but currently it is getting like a good start, right? So I started maintaining, and so let me show you. So it suppose multiple, basically everything on IMDb, which is search. Let me check if that works. So I have put this Cloudflare check because there was a thing. And yeah, so this is the search and this is the title and so on. There are a lot of data, like it suppose almost everything in IMDb. And somebody did DDoS, right? I don't know, maybe that's not a DDoS, maybe somebody just using the API directly. So that's why I've used the Cloudflare protection over here. So this project is doing good, and I love to maintain this project, but this code base is messy. Let's go to investment ready. So this is a bot. So what it does, there is a Telegram channel. It updates whether it is a good time to invest or not based on the Buffett ratio, right? So it uses something like gurufocus.com something, and then it does a web scraping, and then find the GDP versus market cap, then it calculates the Buffett ratio basically, and then it update that to channel. So this is also a good project. I use that to do my mutual fund investment basically. This is doing great actually. Like when the market the ratio is 92%, I buy the share, like some mutual funds, and then when it go to 99 something, I just sell it. It's doing good. I mean, it's doing good. Almost it gave me 10% returns whenever I do this. So yeah, it's doing good. Now this is the interesting project, which is qvit. So qvit is a very very nice project, as you can know. So what it does, so it selects a file. You can try it. I on In this video I will not show you, but you can try this. So this encode the video. Let me just open the project. So this encode the video into like that, okay? it create frames of like that. Okay, so these four, 1 2 3 4 5, these are like a color. If color correction is happened, so all the blue will be changed, right? So that's how we will know if color correction is happened. Then we try part. So basically there is, if we put a file, it creates a sequence of frames and then it merges them into a video. Okay, so it only go to 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1 buffer, and yeah, then it creates a video, right? And then you can choose your video to decode the original file basically. This is really great. So there was a YouTube video, I think somebody does it, right? So yeah, so it was my mind few times before, then I saw that video, then I thought, "Okay, okay, let's build it now. It is too much, right?" So I built it. Nice. So this project is really great. I don't know why that is 5 star. Maybe people don't know about it, but yeah, this is great. This is great project. I love it. Now next is cool video. So this is a bot basically. So you it is using remotion. So whenever you send, let's say you can type your name, my name is Tuhin, I do this, I do that, it creates you a cool video. So that's why the name is cool video, right? Nothing else. It's a great project. I love it. I mean, I think server is still running. I don't know. I need to see. I don't know. Yeah, now let's go to UPI. So this is the like the first project I made. First I made music dot, then I made UPI. It's like 4 years ago, right? So the UI the previously it was just HTML, but later I made that to TypeScript. I don't know why. So what it does, it creates you a UPI link. This is only for mobile, by the way. This is not meant to be used for computer. This is for mobile. So in mobile this looks really great, I think. So let's say let me give my to him, let's say one to right, and then I want this. Then if I click create, I will get a link. Okay, just copy it, then I paste it. So I can scan this QR code and pay, or in this is also hyperlink. So see, UPI pay. So I can also pay with directly with an app. So this project is made after Subanjoy's project UPI pay something, right? Then I thought, wow, I think I can do it. So yeah, so yes, as you can see, UPI pay. So I also give him credit. So yeah, cool. Okay, nice. Now let's go to dynamic image. This project is a really great project. What it does, it create open graph images. So currently you will see Satori, right? In Vercel made Satori, but previously in before 2 3 years there was nothing like that. So you need to render it in create an HTML, create a HTML, then you can render it into a Puppeteer, then you can do it, right? So I have made this project like that. So there are a lot of themes. There are a lot of themes you can also choose. Then so see, I love this, then I click the PNG. Just a second, and you can see because I did a random, so that's why I get this, right? So I get this, and this is just a PNG. So we are production in production we are using it for in VisaDB. As you know, I work on VisaDB. So in production we are using it in VisaDB. So there are VisaDB like VisaDB Dynamic and VisaDB Expert, and so yeah, this is a good project, and we actually use this project on our production. So yeah, cool. Okay, nice. Let's go to Cloudflare DB. So this is the project when so this project give me job basically. So my current company, like so yeah, this is a great project. This is very close to my heart, and this is my first job project also. Like I get the job, so I made that project, and Danish who what's this project, and he offered me job. So yeah, I love this project. So what it does, currently you will see there are a lot of databases in Cloudflare like D1, right? D1 stuff, and then there is Q, but previously there was nothing. So there was only so Cloudflare just launched KV like 1 week ago, I think 1 to 2 week ago. Cloudflare just launched KV. I thought, yes, this is a great idea to make a http uh, http a config edge config type thing. So I made this. So it basically you can just push some payload, right? And then you can get that payload or you can delete that payload. So basically it is a crude operation happening on the edge, and it is very very fast. It was like 60 ms, 100 ms. It was very very fast. So I love this project, Cloudflare DB, and very close to my heart. Now let's go to HLS download. This is also a great project. I can see 98 stars. So this is also a very good project. I made it 2 years ago. So it is also maintained. Uh, so here you can give any HLS link, right? This is a M38 UBoot link. So if you click, then you get all the things. Let's say 240, right? Then I can start download. So in browser, it just download the chunks and then transcode it, and then it is very very fast and efficient. And I think this progress was done by some contributors. I don't know his name, but yeah, I love it. This project is very, very great. So to download the FFmpeg, I personally use it sometime. So yeah, HLS downloader. Perfect. Now there is a nice project which is tplayer.js. So this is, I think, my first npm package, right? So what it does give, firstly, writing the DRM into your website was very challenging, right? So I have created this project where you can just define the config like that, and then it will render a it will render a video. Basically it will render a HTML, it will render a dash or HLS video. It supports white vine, it supports play DRM. So this is a really great project. It supports almost everything. So see, this is the source. This also supports source headers. This also support DRM. This also support DRM headers. So basically it covers every sequences. It supports caption. It also supports UI configurations. This is a really great player, and you can also use this directly on HTML. So there is a HTML tag. You just need to copy this in your website, and then you just need to, let me show you an example. Basically, so example html index.html. So see, just I have imported this, right? And later I just put this, and that's it. It just render my video into this container. So this is a really great project. I use it whenever I need to watch something, or I mean, I have a, let's say I have a m308 link, I want to watch this. I just use this and just copy the example code and just use it. So this is a really great project. Also you can use it in your thing. Also there is GitHub workflows, as you can see. So automatically it is published on npm whenever I create a release, right? So this is also good. Right, next is Whatspot. This is a before job project, I think. So this is like 4 years ago. So what it does, there are a lot of contributors, by the way, and I also contributed it. So yes, and then Anshuman, he did lot of work. He just changed the whole code base. Basically, he did a lot of work, and this is I love this project. I mean, there is a lot of memories in this project. So it's basically a WhatsApp user bot. I don't know currently it works or not. There are 10 issues, so maybe this is not working. So yeah, this is the user bot. It supports many things like PM permit. This was the first PM permit ever come to WhatsApp. Before there was no WhatsApp PM permit. There are a lot of stuff. So before that there was only one user bot, which is What's Asana, right? Then I created Whatspot. So this was, I think, second. So yes, this is a great. There was also a lot of other plugins, but I removed a lot of plugins because of copyright. So yeah, I love this project, but I don't want to maintain it right now. This is a shit. Okay, nice. Let's go to this, as you know, this is like a cool my this thing, right? So yeah, and this is the fork repository. Just remove it. Then there is Ramlalla. So you know, the right? So I have created this is basically an animation. You can scroll it and it just zoom you to Ramlalla's face. I mean, this is really great and I use it before my sleep. I use this website before my sleep, right? So yes, Jai Sri Ram. Let's go to the next project, which is contract form. This is also a great project, I can see maybe. So what it does is, so see, there is a you can there is a one liner code. You need to add it into your website. This is the one liner code, and then also you need to deploy a Cloudflare worker, right? And here you can write anything. You can write, give your contact details. Let's say I give this, then you send that message and that same message will be sent to their Telegram, right? So this project is also good, and it has 47 stars, so maybe it's doing good, but this is I am not maintaining it, and there is no plan to maintain it in future. So yeah, next is Bing Chat API. So so Bing released their API last year, right? Their LLM opening, I think, last year. And when it released, I think this was the second repository who made it, the Bing Chat unofficial API. I tried to create it very efficiently. There's a Docker and usage is also very simple. So let me show you. I created a package with just do in that line you can do a request to Bing, right? So this project is also good, and it has 163 stars, but I am not maintaining it and I don't know if that is working or not, but yeah, this is also a good project maybe. Let's go to Instance 361 array. So as you know, Insta 360 is a like handheld camera like GoPro. So I've created, so they has a cool animation, so I also reproduce that animation. See how it is looking. It's looking good, no? Yes, this is looking great. So I created that. So it's just a simple project. Next is H40 notifier. So I wanted to buy the Motorola H40, and it was so much demand that almost it is getting out of stock. Every time it's come back to stock. So I created a repository. It checks both Flipkart and then Moto website to check it's available or not. And I think I run it on Tarmax. I'm not 100% sure. Then I got some one day I notification. Then I bought my phone, and this was a regret, I think, because the price was dropped significantly after I purchased that phone. So fuck it. Okay, so next is Stream Tape extension. So this is the, so there is a website streamtab.com, right? So it gives like lot of ads, right? So after you uh, do this extension, and when you open a StreamTech link, it just skip all the StreamTech UI. It creates a new UI and just show you this and the download link. So this is a great project, I think, but I didn't use it. I mean, previously I think I use it, but right now no. Yeah. So StreamTap extension, next is music. This is my first project, and Sumanjay gave a shout out to this project, and that's how I started my coding journey. So this is a very close to my heart. Previously, it was a native application in HTML, but in 4 years back, I made that to React. I don't know if still it is still working or not, but yeah, this is a very close to my, this project is very close to my heart, and the UI is trash. I know, but yeah, that time the UI, that time I love this project, and yeah, this started my coding journey. So I love this project. Next is Time Clicker. Let me check if that is still working. Yes, and 19 minutes of recording, nice. Now this is Time Clicker. This is a very fun project. So let's say you have a video, right? And then you can define the configuration, right? So before 10 second, whenever you click the video, this link will be open, right? So before, in 10 to 15 second, if something clicked, this link will open. So you can define the configuration like this, and basically you need to install npm time clicker, and then you can define the configuration and it just works, right? Also I added a regex based I added a regex based configuration parser. So see, if before 10 second open this, so this basically converted to that object. So this was a good experience. and I made it 2 years back. I don't know why I built it, but I made it. So yeah, cool. You can just try it. This is the simple code. You can just try it. Cool, nice. Maybe I can show you. Yes, I think I can also show you. So this is the video. Let me play. I click. I I don't know. See, it goes to 10 second. So that's whatever. Now let's go to readme stats GitHub. So you can see this stat. So free, that was one Anurag Hasta's like GitHub readme stats. This project, it has like 65k star, and I was very greedy about the star, so I made that project. And I think it turns out great than this project. I think I think I love these than that, right? I love these basically. Suanjay also use it, this project, and Aryan Vikas use it. So yes, that is the accomplishment. So they are using my project in their profile. It's doing great. I love this project, very close to my heart, and you can also customize it. You can customize everything. It's very efficient also. Made previously I write it in JavaScript, then I convert then like 2 years back I converted into TypeScript. So yeah, this is a good project, readme stat, and you can also use it. You can also use it in your thing. Nice. Let's go to tarmac surveillance. So I made that project. So I had a spare phone, and I think that was a corona time, covid time I think. So what I did is I created that project, and so whenever you write call me, you send a call me SMS to that phone, it automatically, the phone automatically initiate a call to your number. So you know if somebody if a robbery happening to your home, you'll get the sounds, right? So yeah. And next is take photo. So this is a take photo, and that was the parameter, which camera, right? So whenever you click the take photo, then it capture a photo and then upload to a drive, and then send SMS you that link. Okay, so I think many of the stuff current, many of the Amazon products do the same job, but I did it for your spare phone. And this project also supports commands. So you can also build your command directly. You can also build your command. See, I made a command like that. You can also build your command like that. So this is a what it called is I think plug and play. Yeah, plug and play. You can build your command and you can use it. Like you can create a Alexa something, right? Alex, you can call your home server or home automation API. So you can do everything from that tarmac surveillance. So I love this project, but I never use it. I basically I made it but never use it. Next is node file server. So as you know, so as I told you before, that time I had a spare phone, so I also created this file server. So it just run on infinitely on tarmacs, and this connect to my Wi-Fi. So automatically if I just type the IP address, I get my files. So it's a good project. I don't know why I didn't write the readme, but it's a good project. You can also use it. Very lightweight, very lightweight. This project is very lightweight. Nice. Next, go to Geo7 API. So this project is a, so Sumanjay created a Geo7 API, right? Then I made music there. Then that project uses Python, and the deployment was very tricky, right? You know, your server, you need your Heroku, right? So that's why I just write the serverless stuff. Or there was a private person which run on Cloudflare Worker, but this runs on Vercel basically. This runs on Vercel, and it give you free search song, direct download link, lyrics, and open source. I don't know. Yeah. So I don't think this still works. I think Geo7 changed some API, and I don't think this still works. So this is also a good project, and it has 81 star. And this is like first day project, like 4 years, 4 5 years back. I created that project, I think. Next is GPT-2. So it just uses GPT-2. So it's before the revolution, before the AI revolution I made it, I think. So that time, I think Text Da Vinci was OpenAI's Take Da Vinci was there. So there was a generated, so there was a GPT-2 model, LLM, not LLM, I think, I don't know, whatever. So I have created that too, using the transformer API to just do it, and I never used it, but I have created it. Cool. Now let's do Vilang Fun. This is a great project. So there was a project like they made Aniket Singh and this three, right? They project called Vilang. So what they does is you can do like high vi, vol vi, right? You can do it, right? So they just write everything. It includes like all the what is called I forgot my study, but yeah, but I made that thing to regex. So basically you write this, high fi is the entry point, bi fi is the exit point, and then it uses regex to convert the string to javascript. So bool bhai will convert it to console log. Bhai ye hai, this will be converted to late, right? So in that way, so the I will run this code. Let me run this code and see hello world. Okay, b is equal to a. So yeah, this is also a great project, and I did it very efficiently in how many lines? 25 lines. 25 lines I did this code. So I love this project, and I think Naksab give me a shout out in LinkedIn most probably. So yeah, next is things to do. I don't know why this project is not people do not use this project, and it has only 4 star. I don't know, but this project is really really great. Let me show you. So things to do, so Google has things to do, right? So if you go to let's say if you go to Kolkata, okay, then it does a place search first. So I this is my place search, and I got two result. I got these results: city in India and district so I want this result. So let me replace that, and as you can see, all the Kolkata's things to do are fetched. So this is the description, this is the about, and these are the places you can visit. It has name, it has description, it has images. Let me show you one image, and it has coordinates, it has rating, it has map. This is a really good project. I don't know why people are not people didn't use it. Maybe they don't know, but this is a really good project, and I want to use it. Yeah, nice. Let's go to audio meta tag writer. So in music there, the Geo7 didn't give you the meta tag on the audio. So Sumanjoy if I suggest me to use mutagen and this was my I think first Python project. So I write a code which just uses mutagen and convert that, and then it also save that into a cache. So yeah, this is the ID3 writer. So I made this first Python project. Okay, let's go to play a snippet. So before tplayer.js, uh, if I need something, I need to do it like that. So I create some snippet, right? So I can just copy and paste. But after tplayer.js, I never use this repository because the tplayer.js is just OP. Let's go to Cloudflare worker snippet. So previously I thought I will make some worker snippet. I think this is before job. I don't know, maybe. So there are like cross origin VTT, subtitle VTT. I created some workers. Nationality, I created some workers that time. uh, that's it. I did never maintain this project. So yeah, next is IO example. These are there are a lot of cool socket IO projects. So let's is editor. This is a multiple editor. This is a multiple editor. More people can edit that real time. Okay, so I have created that with socket IO. And this is the logger. So basically it's just do a log push and people can see it. So there are two socket IO. Again, I thought I will make some more project, but I did never maintain it. I just did 4 commits and that's it. Let's go to ecart API. So that time there was the craze of ecart API. Every people are building ecart API, so I also built ecart API, and currently it doesn't need because they also give you the API. So yeah, so I deprecated this. Let's go to Express MongoDB workflow. I don't know why I built it, but I think I don't know. Really, I don't know why I built it. So yeah, next is summarizer. So it uses It uses rank wise summarization. It is a package basically, summarizer manager, and it just summarize your text. It's a simple HTTP endpoint, nothing else. Next is weather bot. So there was a bot, let me show you. See, start, and it's just a Telegram weather bot where it give you the weather, current weather basically. Nice. Let's go to weather API. So previously I made that. Previously I did with Yahoo API, I think. Then Yahoo deprecated their API, and then I shifted back to something scraper. I don't know. I didn't remember. Next is find next is, so that time I was very active on YouTube. Every month I made 2 videos. Right? So that time I created this find next. So it just uh, it is also Firebase plus Next.js. That was the idea. I will create a Firebase plus Next.js. So in that I write in that I write, I think, sign in sign up with Firebase, and a reset password, I think so, not fully remember. Then I thought I will maintain that, and again I never maintained it. I never made a second part of it. I just made one part. So yeah. Cool. Now let's is going bot. So previously, like in COVID time, getting the vaccination was very tough. People making like different kind of tarmacs. My friend, what is his name? Yeah, Rohan, I think, Rajak. Yes, so he made it. He made the video. He made something in tarmacs. Then, but that was very hard to use. So I have created that project, which we'll call the Cowin API, and it's just, you can subscribe to Telegram to your nearest location, and then it will send you, right? It will send you whenever the vaccination is available. Later, by the way, later Healthify me do the same job. So I was first, then Healthify me do that job. I don't know why they didn't pick me, but yeah, that was it. So these Cowin bot actually depends on one more project, which is Cowin. So this is a wrapper which is on npm JS. I think this got duplicated most probably. Let me show you. Mm, yeah. So npm install Win, and you can do literally everything. All states, all district, calendar by pin, calendar by district, find by pin, find by district. You can do basically everything. So this Cowin bot is dependent on this wrapper, which also I made it. So I'm very proud of it. So let's go to text to speech. So it uses GTTS API. It's a small new project. I don't know why I built it, but it uses GTTS API to do a text to speech basically. Next, go to Git site. This is also a good project. I love that project, which is you just need to, in main.js, you just need to change your username basically. If I put to Tuhinpal, then it renders it just calls a GitHub API and renders something like that. Yeah, so this is also a good project. 12 star, I don't know, I shouldn't call it good, but yeah. Next is Tasker. So 3 years ago I thought let's just use Expo. That time Expo was new, I think. That time Expo was new, so I tried Expo and created this Tasker app. Maybe not new, I am not I cannot recall it, but yeah, I made the Tasker app. There is no readme, but the UI is very good. The UI is very good. You cannot also download the APK. Yeah. Next is Ghana downloader extension. So Ghana has had lot of ad, and so there was a time not I maintain a project called GeoSaban extension, which is made by Saban extension is made by Naksha, right? I maintained it. Then I thought let's replicate the same thing in Ghana. So I replicate the same thing in Ghana with all ad-free experience. All ads will be removed. Download song with metadata, works on Chrome, वगैरह वगैरह, right? And this project is not maintained. I don't think this still works. Dead, yeah, somebody commented dead, so I don't think this still works, whatever. Next is Fire CDN. This is also a good project, and I personally use it right now. So it uses Firebase and Firebase storage and Firebase authentication and just vanilla JS uh, to upload any files to Firebase, basically to upload any files to Firebase. So whenever I need to copy some direct link, I just spin up this project. I mean, I just open that project in browser, I select that project and I just copy the direct link and I share that link. So I personally use this project Fire CDN. 3 years ago I built it, only one commit, no other thing. So this project is doing great, I love it. Next is Telegram subs counter, just a subscriber counter. I don't remember it much, but I think this was a counter. I don't remember the UI, anything I cannot remember. Next is music.native. As I told you, I created a music.html version. So this is the music.html version. This doesn't work because the domain is dead, I think. Next is URL shortener API. I created a video about it, watch it on YouTube. So you can sort some URL and it just use MongoDB and then you can retrieve it like that. It's also a good project and I made a video it was like 4 years ago. Yeah, 4 years ago. Next is ecart bot. So I showed you the ecart API. That API is used by that bot and it use a Telegram, and if you send a tracking ID it just give you the details basically. Next is GP links bot. It use GP link like shortener, link shortener. It use GP links basically. Next is Qtit bot. It use Qtit. This is a Qtit link shortener basically. Next is music.bot bot. So music.bot had a bot also in Telegram. It is not maintained, but this is the music.bot bot. It also search your song and yeah. Okay, next is real time video statistics in video title. So this is a group project. So it update your description and title. It update your description and title basically based on the current comment, we have current views. Right, it use the Google APIs. So this was my first Google API project 4 years ago, and yeah, I didn't love it. Next is time API. I think this is like this give you the Indian time. Yeah, see, this is give you the Indian time. This is a very bad project, I think. Next is project IP. This give you the IP current IP address of is use a Cloudflare worker and give you the current IP address. Next is Streamware. I cannot recall it perfect. I think Streamware was a service, and this project embeds Streamware.net video without ads. So yeah, it is self-explanatory. So yeah, I made I think 300 plus repositories. 59 is public, all other are private. So there are a lot of project in my thing. So I need to, yeah, I need to write the readme and slowly I need to publish it. Mm, and yeah, I hope you will like this video and 38 minutes. And if you are watching this video, thank you. And this video is only for me, not for all persons, right? Not for this is for future me. This video is for future me. And yeah, and I did 4,854 commits. So yeah. Okay guys, so bye, have a nice day. Thank you.